thicker than water. We close like brothers from another mother. We smother these chickens like gravy. Run laps through these tracks, only radio can play me. Keep the chrome 380, some people be so shady. I be waiting for a coward ass nigga to try to play me. Keep the ratchet off safety. Sitting on 20s, keep spinning when I stop, like I'm still in motion. Understand how we hold it. Heavy artillery, consider me a threat. I'm about to make history. I form assembly, sip lime Bacardi. Heavy on the wrist, thug music when we party. Then we break bread with that animal instinct. I stay big, cherry yacht, chocolate scent. It's repetitive, platinum and gold plated out. The hood, what we be about. Niggas gon' hear me out.
We mobbed out. I put the fifth to your brain. I ain't 3, ain't no game, but we got niggas that bang. Want a phone call and it's off with your head. I ain't gotta say shit twice to get it done. I don't care where you from, you can still get it done. Your name ring bells, well so do these shells. You gon' be leaking, crawling to your death. Your grave is waiting for you. Your name don't rap. A lot of stress and commotions. I'm going through the motions. First nigga front, he be going through convulsions. Head wide open, I'm tired of the bullshit. Don't judge me if you don't know me. I got homies that's OGs that'll body some. From the bridge, homeboy, none of us be frontin'. We got a world of our own, 6 blocks, 96 buildings, everybody holding chrome.
I want y'all to hear me, know we gets busy. Is you with me, Queens, New York City? Chi-Town, LA, the hood gets busy. North Click to Philly, the world gon' feel me. I want y'all to hear me, know we gets busy. Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, the hood gon' feel me. VA, DC, know we gets busy. Through city to city, the streets gon' feel me.
Yo, I put my life on the line. Every time I rhyme, I roll with 2 9s and got a big head. Fuck this foul place, I'd rather be dead. Niggas think shit sweet here, eat lead. My life is based on getting that bread, getting that head from a badass bitch. And I walk with a curse, I don't need to snitch. Then I'm just trying to get up when you get hit up. Twin don't give a fuck, I run the streets, ducking the D's. I'm grinding, the kid gotta eat. With the heat in my hand, I get no sleep. Catch me in all black in the hood on the creek. Gambino came out with his ill technique. Just run up in the bank and get that cream. You need a team and we all be up. In the club, popping bottles, done living it up. What
I want y'all to hear me, know we gets busy. Is you with me down in Mississippi? Cleveland, Boston, the hood gon' feel me. I ain't free click, I know we gets busy. I want y'all to hear me, know we gets busy. Texas be more than Midwest filming. Canada overseas, the hood get busy. MIA, UK, they ride with me. I want y'all to hear me, know we gets busy. Is you with me, New Jersey City, Arizona, Ohio, Chile, coast to coast, worldwide, we gets busy. I want y'all to hear me, know we blow drizzy. Is you with me in Kansas City, Oklahoma, Seattle, Haiti, Amsterdam, like that haze up crazy. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Everybody worldwide.